Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how amazingly tasty and easy to make this chicken curry is. Come on. I have taken whole chicken cut in desirable size pieces. We will first apply some seasonings and add flavors to this chicken. We have to apply these ingredients few at a time and mix well. The key to making a delicious chicken curry is building flavors a few at a time. Now the quantity of red chili powder depends on your taste. Rest of the ingredients are a foolproof measurement for a wonderfully flavored curry. Don't skip any of these. Paprika will impart a vibrant color to the curry. Let's mix these and then build more flavors. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Saffron will give an amazing aroma. Now you can substitute homemade malai or cream for the sour cream. Let's go ahead and mix this together. We will leave this for an hour for the flavors to blend and coat the chicken. In the meantime, we will go ahead and start preparing for the curry. This recipe needs a bit more oil than normal. A few whole spices and saute them a bit to release the flavor into the oil. We will saute the onions until golden on medium heat. I have used this size onion just for you to know the quantity. Don't rush in the cooking and keep medium heat all the way. Looks perfect. In goes the marinated chicken. We will first saute this for a few minutes until the oil separates. Do you see the oil oozing out? Now cover and cook for a few minutes for the moisture to release. At this point, I will take out the whole spices as they have done their part, and keeping them more will make the curry pungent. Adding hot water as per the desired quantity you like. More liquid will be released as you cook the chicken. Once it comes to a boil, we will cover and cook for another few minutes. In the meantime, we will make a cashew paste that is the best part of the curry. Use stems and all. Make a paste with little water. Perfect. Now pour this over the chicken and this will thicken the curry slightly, so you can add more hot water if desired. But for me, this is the perfect consistency. Wow, look at the wonderful color. Now we will cook the chicken completely on medium heat. This way the oil also releases to give a vibrant look to the curry. If you like my recipes, click the subscribe button for such amazing recipes I post every week. Let's check if the chicken is cooked. If the meat separates easily from the bone, then it is cooked. Nice. Now here we have an awesome chicken curry ready to be served. This chicken curry thickens as it sits. Hope you enjoyed the recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.